Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The radius of a circle is increased by 25%. By what percent does the area of the circle increase? Okay, now let me assume R as the original radius. Let me write the stuff over here. R as the original radius. In that case, the original area is, we can use the formula that is pi r square. Here R represents the radius. Okay, now we have to increase this original radius by 25%. Okay, now let me calculate the new radius that is equal to, so we have to add this 25 to 100. So because we increase the original radius by 25%, so we have to add this 25 to 100 percentage times the original radius r. Here when I add this 125, I'm getting 125, that is 125% times r. When I convert this 125% to decimal, I'm getting 1.25, that is 1.25 times r. Okay, now let's find the new area. The new area equals to the same formula, but instead of r, we have to use the new radius, 1.25 r. Okay, now let me plug in this 1.25 r for this r over here. Then I'm getting pi times 1.25 r the whole square. Okay, pi times here 1.25 and r are multiplied and we have the common exponent too. Whenever two values are multiplied and there is a common exponent, what we can do is we can take this exponent 2 for each value separately and multiply the results. Then we get to 1.25 the whole square times r square. Okay, here the value of this 1.25 whole square is 1.5625. Let me write over here. This is pi times 1.5625 r square. We can write this value in front of everything. Then I'm getting 1.5625 pi r square. Okay, here in the original area, we can assume there is a coefficient 1. That is, the original area is 1 pi r square. So after the radius is increased by 25%, the new area is 1.5625 pi r square. How much the area is increased? For that, we have to find the difference between the original area and the new area. So the difference between the original area 1 pi r square and the new area 1.5625 pi r square is 0.5625 pi r square. Okay, the area is increased by 0.5625 pi r square. But we have to get this increment as percentage according to the information. Okay, now to get this increment as percentage, what we have to do is we have to write the actual increase in numerator, that is 0.5625 pi r square. And it has to be divided by the starting value, that is the original area 1 pi r square or is just pi r square. And it has to be multiplied by 100 to get the value as percentage. Okay, here this pi r square will cancel out. When I multiply this 0.5625 by this 100, I am getting 56.25%. When the radius of the circle is increased by 25%, the area is increased by 56.25%.